guys, I'm Priya and welcome to my channel Art from Priya's Heart. So as you all know, there are no masks available in the stores. So I decided to make my own mask at home with the help of crochet. So this is the mask which I made at home. It has 38 chains, 20 rows, an elastic cord, cotton cloth inside it and a stabilizer to stabilize the cotton cloth. And this is how it will look. So let's begin. To make a mask, you need yarn, cotton cloth, elastic cord, scissor, hook, I'm using 3.50 mm, needle and a stabilizer. You can even use the layers of cotton cloth instead of stabilizer. So let's start. Let's grab a yarn, needle and make a knot. You have to make a row of 38 chains. You can even make the chains as per your face size. One, two, three, 4, 5 and just keep on going until you reach 38. We are done with our first row. Now you have to go first row back and go to second chain from the hook. First, second. And do a single crochet for next 8 chains. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are the single crochet of 8 chains. From 9th chain, you have to do double crochet for next 20 chains. So this is our 9th chain. So we are done with our double crochet of 20 chains. Now only 8 chains will remain. So you have to do single crochet. So this pattern is 8 single crochet, then 20 double crochet, again 8 single crochet. So this is our second row, we have completed it. Now we'll start the third row. But before that, whenever you start a new row, you have to make a single chain first and then start making a pattern of 8 single crochet, 20 double crochet and again 8 single crochet. So this is our first chain. After this, you will start 8 single crochet. This will be the first of 8. 1, 2, and keep on going until you make 8 single crochet. After that, you can follow the pattern what you followed in second row. This is how it will look once you complete your third row. Repeat this until you reach row 19. So we are done with our 19th row. Now for 20th row, you just have to single crochet. So this is end of my 20th row. This is how it will look once you complete the 20 rows of your mask. Now you have to make an ear loop. I will show you the two ways to make an ear loop, one with yarn and second one with elastic cord. First we'll make ear loop with yarn, so let's begin. You have to make 15 chains. But you can make it as per your face size. These are the chains of 15. Now stitch to the other end to complete an ear loop. Repeat the same process of ear loop on other side. I prefer elastic cord as it fits pretty well. Now we'll make an ear loop with an elastic cord. Pull your hook out of yarn and cut it. Take a needle and thread it with yarn. Fold the ends and stitch it. But make sure that fold has a place for a hook to go through. knot the end and cut the extra yarn. Repeat the same to the other end. Now take the elastic cord and make a knot. Place the hook into the knot and insert it from the other end of the hook. Pull the hook out unknot the cord and cut it. Follow the same for other end. Now knot both cords with fingers. Make sure both ear loops are of same size. Cut the extra cord. And adjust accordingly. So we are done with our ear loop. Now let's stitch the white cotton cloth on double crochet pattern. So take the cloth and cut it as per the size of your mask. For stitching, I am using the same yarn. You have to stitch only 3 sides of the cloth so that it can form a pocket to place a stabilizer inside it. This is our pocket where we are going to place stabilizer. Cut the stabilizer as per the size. And place it inside the pocket of the cotton cloth. So now we are done with our mask. Thank you for watching my video, and if you really like the video then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, if you have any questions, then make sure to leave a comment below. Thank you.